Thutha wa ekuirwo 43 guikio ngono magikuruhanio na uici wa ciringi bilioni 9 cia NYS, mwihoko wa Kenya urari kuhanyukio gwa cira ucio no gukinya riu nduri uranjiriria. Umuthi miene yothe cira-ini ucio ni gucamanitie kwariria uria cira ucio uguthie na mbere thima Giikaro kiu gitinahanika. Mawakiri a ekuirwo makiuga mwena wa thitango ndumahete ndumiriri ya ekuirwo mandikithirie maikio ngono.
Does the state have signed statements of the witnesses they want to use? And if the answer to that question is yes, why are we not receiving those statements? What is the mischief?
Wakiri Cliff Ombeta ni uriri mucirithania ahorohie bondi ire ekuirwo maheto akiuga ekuirwo mwene meta ino no mekubatara kuruta o mundu besha ciake.
All siblings, they are all in custody at the same time. Nobody then out there perhaps to be able to help them to get out that easily. Is it possible for the court then to be able to vary those terms? Because each of them has got to get about 1 million shillings in cash bail. That is 5 million.